Now we're going to take a look at a bug in our game. I've deleted our condition from our inspectable box, the blue one, and I'm going to re-add it. And I want you to pay attention to the bottom of the screen here. Let's hit add component. I'm going to add our met inspected condition. Everything looks good so far. Let's drag the purple box onto there as the requirement. And did you notice the error that popped up there? Let's go take a look at the console and see what it is. So here you'll see that it says we have a null reference exception. If I click on the error, I can see the full stack trace here and see that it's coming from our onDraw gizmos. In our onDraw gizmos, we're checking to see if the thing was met, checking to see if it was fully inspected, and then going into the inspection progress where we're hitting a null reference. So let's go take a look at what that might be. I can click the link right down here to go directly to the line that's causing the error and look for the only thing that could theoretically be null. Time to inspect can't be null, it's a float, and this time inspected can't, but our data can. Inspectable data is a class, and theoretically it could be null. We have a couple options here. We could assign some default value to it, maybe switch it over to be a struct, or we can go with the simple solution, which is what we'll do to start, and that's just add in a null check. So let's zoom in a little bit here and make it so that our inspection progress doesn't throw an exception if we haven't initialized our data yet. So if we haven't initialized our data, what should the value of our inspection progress be? I would say it should be 0. We can accomplish that pretty easily by just adding a question mark here before the period, a space after the D, 2 more question marks, and a 0F. Now what is that doing? Let's take a look. If data is null, we're going to use the value after the question mark. If data is not null, we'll use time inspected. So if data is null, we'll just use 0. 0 divided by something, we're going to get back 0. We're going to get an inspection progress of 0 instead of a null reference exception, and no more errors. Let's save, see if our error has gone away. We'll go back into Unity, clear the console, and let's just hit clear. We'll hit play a couple times, click on the object, click off of the object. Another good way to check it is to just remove the component and re-add it, make sure that it's gone, but I don't expect that we'll see that error anymore. All right, there we go. One simple error knocked out.